Graphics management is a phase within itself because our sales offices are so graphic and signage heavy that we have a dedicated in-house manager to oversee the whole process. Their involvement starts at the design phase, where they'll speak to the interior designer about options, whether it's 3D lettering, how illumination might work on the proposed design, or even technical stuff about how we house the LED lights within cavities or joinery items. Once the client has signed off on the design, our graphics manager will take the 3D renders plus all the working drawings and start coding them up. This code is listed on an Excel spreadsheet with specs for all graphics, including print type, required bleed, image size, and file type. This spreadsheet and the coded drawings are then sent to the client, who passes them on to the agency. Our graphics manager is available to talk to the agency through the required specs and answer any questions that they may have. We'll provide a deadline for when we need the graphics. When those graphics come in, our graphics manager checks them. This is an essential step because we're finding around 40% of supplied files just aren't print ready. Things like fonts needing to be outlined, crop marks being missed, or even low-res files sometimes sneak through. Rather than files going directly to the printer and then have them either printed or rejected, costing us time, we have our graphics manager intercepting artwork, checking it and raising issues as they find it, saving time and money. Our graphics manager will be on site to manage the graphic installation phase. They give the installers advice and troubleshoot any issues to ensure that the graphics are first class and bring the vision of the sales office to life.